Good day everyone, my name is Alessa Makapinlak and today I will be reporting to you about the early philosopher and their works. So some early Greek thinkers from Iona and southern Italy became curious about how the world works. Instead of saying everything was caused by God, they searched for logical and natural explanation. Their ideas became the foundation of science and early philosophy. Later around the 4th or 5th century AD, Europe went through the Dark Ages, a time when there was a very little new learning. By the 11th century, learning and new ideas started to grow again in both Christian Europe and the Muslim and Jewish Middle East. So, philosophers during this time focused mainly on: first is proving the God exists, and the second is connecting religion, Christianity or Islam, with other Greek ideas, especially the teachings of Aristotle. This time period also saw the creation of the first universities, which helped philosophy continue to grow and develop. So, Aristotle on ethics. So, Aristotle wrote a famous book called Nicomachean Ethics, where he explained what the best kind of life is for humans. He says the best life is a life of human flourishing, which he calls eudaimonia. So, kanang si Aristotle nagsulat siya og kanang usa ka sikat nga libro nga iyang gitawag is Nicomachean Ethics. Sa libro iyang explain dito og kanang unsa ang pinakamaayong klase sa kinabuhi para sa tuwa. Para ni Aristotle, ang best life kay kanang mag-flourish bitaw, like mag-grow, mag-improve o magpuyo ka nga meaningful imong kinabuhi. Mo ni ang iyang gitawag nga eudaimonia. But for Aristotle, happiness doesn't mean just feeling good or being in a good mood. Instead, happiness is about how you live your life, your actions, your choices, and habits. So a person can still have a truly happy or good life even if they experience sadness or pain, as long as they live well overall. So para ni Aristotle is ang happiness dili lang same sa tuwa karon nga kalipay or kanang emotion ra. Dili lang kay karon happy ka, ugma or sunod adlaw dili na. So para ni Aristotle is ang happiness is how you live your life, unsay imong mga choices, imong gibuhat, imong attitude ug unsa ka ka-responsable sa imong kinabuhi. Bisan pag mag-experience ka like kanang kalisod, pwede gihapon ka nga mo-consider nga kanang truly happy mong life kay nag-experience happy, no? So there are two types of virtue. The first one is character virtue and the second is intellectual virtue. So what is character virtue? So character virtue is kana maghimo ka og maayong butang nga like imong mahabit or kanang imong bitong ginabuhat nga mahabit na nimo. Then ang intellectual virtue is gamiton nimo muhang thinking o gimuhang ability para makabalo ka or kanang unsa ang sakto or dili nga imong gibuhat. So to develop a good character, a person must practice good actions again and again. It becomes a habit over time. So para ma-develop na to ang isa ka kanang good character, dapat mag-practice jud nga mag-practice hangtod nga kanang imong gi-practice or kanang imong ginabuhit is kanang mahabit na nimo or kanang masanay na ka. Aristotle explains that the best life for human is living with virtue, and he proves this through something called the human function argument. He says everything has a function or purpose or job. The work or function of an eye is to see and to see well, just as each part of the body has a function, says Aristotle. So too must the human being as a whole have a function. This is an argument by analogy. The function of human being is logos or reason. The happiest life is a practice of virtue, and this is practice under the guidance of reason. So si Aristotle nag-explain siya og ang pinakamaayong kinabuhi para sa tao is kanang nagpuyo ka kauban ang virtue, meaning nagbuhat ka sa maayo o kanang nagamit ka sa imong pagkatao in the best way. Ingon si Aristotle, tanang butang na ay function or purpose. Kung ang parte sa lawas na ay function, dapat kita po mga tao mismo naputay function or naay function or natay purpose. Para ni Aristotle, ang function sa human kay reason atong ability sa paghuna-huna, natay ability nga mopili o mag-decide og unsa ang sakto or dili. So, there are example of characters virtue. Number 1 is courage, temperance, liberality, and magnanimity. So, what is courage? Ang example ani kay kanang doing the right thing even when you're afraid. So, magbuhat ka o kanang sakto bisan pag nahadlo ka. Then, temperance is self-control. Example na kay gusto paliton nga nag-trend. Anya kay kanang naghuna-huna man ka nga kanang gusto nimo paliton or dili. So, you save your money instead nga imo siyang paliton. So, ang liberality is naka-extra nga allowance. Then, instead of kanang imo siyang igasto, imo siyang i-spend sa mga laag nya nagkuan na lang ka kanang nya na may kuan nga na nag-need og kanang tabang nimo, so nag-decide na lang ka nga katong imong kwarta nga imong igasto is imo na lang tong itabang. Then last is magnanimity, helping someone who are mistreat you even if nakasakit sila nimo or na sila butang nga kanang gikasakit nimo, kanang nya mag-need sila kanang tabang in case of emergency nya ikaw ang duol or ikaw ang kanang naa, not because you want to praise but because it's the right thing to do. Aristotle says that if you want to become virtuous, you should aim for the opposite of your usual bad habit. For example, if you usually overdo pleasure or self-indulgence, try aiming towards self-control or even a little less pleasure. Over time, this will help you reach the balanced middle, which is true virtue. So, kanang if imong tendency is kanang self-indulgent, kana bitaw kanang magsige kag tan-aw sa pleasure or kanang gusto nimo permi malingaw, then mas maayo nimo nga i-aim nimo ang self-control or even gamay nga pleasure. So, friendship according to Aristotle. Aristotle says there are 3 kinds of friendship, and the only one is the highest and most long-lasting. Number 1 is friendship excellence or best kind. So, based on virtue and good character, each friend appreciates the goodness in the other, helps you become a better person. Friends spend a lot of time together because distance weakens the bond. This kind of friendship lasts long because it is built on a strong character. Number 2, friendship of pleasure. Based on enjoying the same thing, example given is kana music, hobbies, fun, or food, doesn't last long because what we enjoy changes over time. Number 3 is friendship utility or usefulness. Based on benefiting each other, schoolwork, health, business, or favors, and with it is no longer useful. For ang kwan ana, ingon pa si Aristotle wants us to aim for virtue by balancing ourselves, and the best kind of friendship is the one built on goodness or character.